Our ovulation test can work amazing. If you want to know when you can ovulate, you can start to do the test. The results is very easy to read. You can use day after your period. The test will tell you when is your peak. You can detect 5 to 7 days after your period. After your period, just take one circle. You can pen. By our test, it becomes very easy to do the detect. You can actually see when you are even ovulating. We have different cans. One is cassette, another one is midstream. We also have strips. So if you want to buy this one, contact with us. One-step ovulation test.